Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Brother, can one marry themselves in a joint family? Is the concept of joint family valid in Islam?
So this is the question that can one marry in joint family? Is the concept of joint family valid? If you mean marrying in joint family, marrying a close relative is fine as long as the person is not the mahram, not the brother of the father or the brother of the mother, etc. If it doesn't come in the list of mahram, you can marry. But what I feel your question is, sister, that can you live in a joint family? Not marry in a joint family, can you live in a joint family? Sister, Islam doesn't encourage a person to live in joint family, though living is not haram, you can. But when you live in joint family, you have to maintain the hijab, you have to do hijab. For example, you are living with your parents and you're living with the family of your brother-in-law who has a wife and who has children, your husband is there. So maintaining hijab is difficult, sister. So living in a joint family is not encouraged, but it is allowed. But if you live in a joint family, sister, you have to maintain your hijab and see to it that you don't go outside the purview of the Islamic Sharia. It's possible, it's difficult. It's not encouraged, but very well you can live in a joint family, sister. Hope that answers the question.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.